Hi guys, I'm Zain, and on this GCU Student Life Hacks, we're going to be talking about how to prepare yourself for the exam period. Hack number 1. Give yourself plenty of time before coming onto the campus before your exam. The last thing you want to do is running around like crazy and not knowing what room to go in and where to go. Instead, get an earlier bus or train so that you are on campus slightly earlier before the exam. Hack number 2. Avoid cramming before the exam. Please don't force yourself to try and learn everything again at the last minute. This will make you just more stressed and nobody wants that. Hack number 3. Take some time to decompress after the exam is finished. Just forget about everything and try to relax. Let's be honest, it's impossible for everything to always go well, so if you do feel like it could have been better, don't make yourself more tense by discussing things like, what if I did this, what if I didn't do this, etc. Just try to do things that will help you relax. Hack number 4. Make sure to eat well before your exam. If you have an exam in the morning, try to have a good breakfast, and if it's in the afternoon, have a good lunch. And please remember, Red Bull is not breakfast. Hack number 5. Get a good night's sleep the night before your exam. Everyone says it, and it's true that as students, our sleeping pattern is very messed up, but just make an effort to sleep well the day before the exam. Okay, that's everything. Best of luck for the exams.